Question 30. Solve 3x squared minus x minus 3 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equations. So based on what we learned, the method in chapter 10, we can try factoring, completing the square or quadratic formula to solve it. Most of the time we will try factoring a few times, see if it works. If it doesn't work, then we will jump to quadratic formula. So I can easily play around, to get 3, I have 3 times 1. Here it has to be 3 times 1. So no matter which way I do my combination, 3 times 1, 1 times 3, I cannot get a difference of 1. Or 3 times 3, 1 times 1, I cannot get a difference of 1. So what do I do on my scratch paper or mentally? I kind of play around, does factoring work? It didn't work. So I decided I'm going to use quadratic formula. So the general formula for quadratic formula is so we want to remember how to write the quadratic formula. X is equal negative b plus minus radical b squared minus 4ac, extend all the way, divided by 2a. Okay, now we just have to plug it in. So in this case, my a is 3, my b is negative 1, my c is negative 3. So when I plug it in, I'm going to end up with b is negative 1, so I will have minus a negative 1 plus minus b squared is going to be negative 1 squared minus 4ac. So a is 3, the coefficient of the x squared. C is the constant term including the sign, which is negative 3. Now for my denominator, I got to go 2 times a, so it's 2 times 3. Because again, my a is the coefficient of the x squared, which is 3. So we already plug it into the quadratic formula. Next thing I need to do is simplify further. Okay, minus minus is going to give me just a 1. Negative 1 squared means negative 1 times negative 1. I'm going to get 1. Here, I'm going to go left to right in terms of multiplications. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 3 is positive 36. 2 times 3 is 6. X equal 1 plus minus radical 37 over 6. Again, if I can pull radical 37 and simplify further out of the radicand, but I couldn't because this is a prime number. That's the best I can do in terms of getting to the answer. So when I select my answer, okay, it's going to be A.